Hi, this is Brian with Mr. Rooter Plumbing doing a sewer scope at 9765 Southwest Cook Court in Tigard 97224. Point of access is a 3-inch ABS cleanout that's located to the right of the front door. There we go. Here's the cleanout. We're going to be checking the serviceability of the sewer line from the point of access out to the city sewer main. Currently in the horizontal position, so we're going to zero the footage meter out and proceed out. We are in what looks to be 3-inch ABS pipe. We're just going to kind of run this camera out as quickly as possible, and once we get out to the city sewer main, we'll go ahead and shut the water off and take a better look at the sewer line on the way back. So we're going to go ahead and turn the mic off now. Okay, we're at 86 feet is the city sewer main. We're going to pause the video and shut the water off. Okay, so once again, city sewer main at 86 feet, currently in 6-inch concrete pipe. We'll go ahead and slowly pull the camera back to evaluate the pipe. Transitioning back to ABS pipe at 47.5 feet. So it looks like I'm losing some light here on my camera for some reason. We're going to pause. So I don't know why my light's starting to dim, but on the way out I was looking at this. This ABS pipe looks in good shape. Sewer line from the point of access out to the city sewer main is a pass inspection. Everything looks to be good. We have arrived back at the plant here. Okay, so this is a two-way cleanout. We'll go ahead and just run it up the stream real quick. Take a look at the pipe underneath the house and crawl space. Here's the bottom of the toilet here. So everything looks good on that portion of the pipe as well. So from the inside of the house all the way out to the city sewer main, the sewer is in good working condition and is a pass sewer scope. We arrived back at the cleanout. We'll go ahead and shut the video off. There we go. That concludes the sewer scope. Thank you.